Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to turn off the iPhone 15, you should find first the power key button, the side key, and the volume up button, and just press and hold it for a few seconds together. You should press these two buttons by the same way, just for a few seconds and together. After that, you'll see here the power off menu, and just to turn off your device you should slide this dot to the right side to turn it off. Okay, tap to OK, and after that just wait a couple of seconds and we could see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.